Join me and my dad while we explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, gear and equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! As you can see, Santa Claus is going to be coming soon.
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl. And today we're going to take a look at a Alox scale. And you don't see this one very often, but this is an Alox scale, 95 millimeters, is that what they call these things? Swiss Army knife. Yeah, 93 millimeter. This particular one is called the Swiss Army 7, also known as the Harvester. Now, first up, I ordered this through Smoky Mountain Knife Works. I may have to heat this up. I'm really annoyed by the Prop 65 stickers that per California law are required to be on everything, which means something causes cancer. It's very annoying because they put it on everything to the point to where it means nothing anymore. I've said it in multiple videos at this point in time. It's one of those things, kind of like James from Video Addict is constantly upset because TacPack puts their label over their name. Well, I think it's idiotic to put a sticker that says everything causes cancer on it. Anyway, so this is the Swiss Army 7, aka the Harvester, which I got from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. I forget the cost on this. Now, this is an Alox scale knife. It does not have a key ring. Okay, so we're going to just start at this one end. You have a 90-degree lock, bottle opener, aka cap lifter, straight edge slotted screwdriver, wire bender, stripper. Next, it's not what you're thinking. You have the pruning blade. Where you would normally have the can opener, you have a pruning blade. Your next item is going to be the saw. And this wood saw works really great and cuts a lot thicker branch if you do it right than you might realize. I like the Swiss Army knife saw. Next up, you have your main blade. And this one says Victorinox Swiss made stainless, and it's blank on the other side. I guess I should have held it up more for the pruning blade as well. Since that one's unique, you don't usually see that all the time. And then your final item, you have the Alox style reamer. Doesn't have a sewing eye on it, much sharper edge, and a big fold over on it. There's a couple of the 91 millimeter knives that have that, your standard one. Anyway, so that is a look at the Victorinox Harvester Alox scale, the Swiss Army number 7. Great knife. And now I just got to figure out, I got to get that sticker out of my box because it drives me nuts. There is some paperwork literature in here, probably cleaning. Yes, it is your standard cleaning literature. tells you how to clean it and dry it and take care of it. How to use the can opener, which is really funny because this one doesn't have one. I think that's hilarious. Anyway, thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.